Hello. Today I would like to present you a capacitor made of aluminium foil for oven. So, capacitor which is a parallel plate capacitor. I have on this piece of furniture an aluminium foil for oven, then baking sheet, then another aluminium foil for oven. And the two aluminium foils are forming a capacitor, and between them is the baking sheet to provide isolation, electrical isolation. I know, and in here I have a multimeter which is set on to calculate the capacitance, and you can see that the capacitance, when I have only this piece of aluminium superposed, then I have a 0.78 nanofarads. We know that the capacitance for a parallel plate capacitor is proportional with the area and is inverse proportional with the distance between the sheets. The closer they are, the bigger the capacitance, the bigger the surface of the plate is, the bigger the capacitance. So I start from a small area and I have 0.77 nanofarads, and I increase the area, and by increasing the area you can see that the capacitance is increasing. Not by much, so of course it's something very primitive, and that's it. This is a kind of a maximum value that can be obtained, 2.1 nanofarads. Let's go back to see what is going on. If I decrease the area of the capacitor, what is happening? So the capacitance should decrease, and it decreases up to a certain value. Again, it's around 0.80. I go back. The capacitance is increasing because the area of the parallel plate capacitor is increasing, and it stays some like this, approximately 2 or 1 and something like this. Let's try to systematically decrease the distance between the parallel plates. Now you can see that there is air and so on, so it's not constant. So I'll just bring some books and put on them. Already there is an increase in capacitance. The area of the parallel plate capacitor stayed the same, but the distance between the parallel plates decreased. And now it will decrease even more, and I will put some copy paper, and if I go like this, then I have almost 20 nanofarads. If I let them like this, there will be 13 nanofarads. Let's see if this behaves like a capacitor. So this is the next step. We measured the capacitance of our capacitor using a multimeter. We saw how the capacitance increase and decrease depending on and it depends on the surface and distance between the plates. Thank you for listening.